Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and many of you have been asking me if things seem to be rolling out right for the Patch Tuesday updates of May 2025. So we're 24 hours after the release of the Patch Tuesday updates, and what we see right now is that everything seems to be going in the right direction. I don't see any problems that is above what I call my background noise, meaning that when you look at the blog posts and people went to get their updates, the amount of people saying that the update failed or they had an error message or a freeze or so on is relatively the same as it is on everyday computing when the computers crash or have problems. So, of course, the updates for Windows 10, Windows 11 yesterday seem to be rolling well. Once again, on my PCs, I got one with Windows 10, I got several with Windows 11. All of them have updated without any problems. So that tells me that it looks good. And for most people, it seems to have really gone well. So just, be patient. Don't worry too much about it. We talk about stress sometimes of people looking at updates, and that's why you should, have the updates going, doing something else, not staying there and starting to look at the percentage and wait for it. It's always worse because sometimes if it stops on a percentage, you can get more anxiety, and because you think that it doesn't work or it stopped or it froze, or so by just going away, doing something else, leave it alone. You come back and it's done, or it will ask for the restart and you'll be ready. Don't worry too much about it. So for now, sometimes some problems actually show up after a few days. So of course we'll be looking at what's happening on the Windows updates every day, just to see if anything pops up out of the ordinary. But for now, the May 13th, 2025 security updates seem to be rolling out well. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.